How to turn on or turn off easy mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and then tap on display. Next, scroll down and then tap on easy mode. From here, tap on the easy mode toggle button to turn it off, or tap on it to switch it on. When it is turned on, all your items on the screen will be a lot bigger, such as icons, text, etc. So when I open up my Galaxy Gallery app, you can see that preview icons stay relatively quite small, but text will be larger, and all the items down here are easier to read. So let's have a look at the menu. So even the menu stays the same, but certain things will get enlarged, such as this search box here. The text needs to be relatively small so that it does not clutter the screen, but certain items such as the home button, the navigation bar, or the search box is enlarged for easier reading. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.